Kristen David here, popping in with 10 tips on things I wish I knew before I owned a law firm that would have absolutely streamlined my progress for growing and building a thriving, profitable business. But hey, it doesn't have to be that difficult for you. You've got these quick 10 tips. So, tip number one, I wish I had known earlier on how to build a business plan. It was absolutely vital to get that down and learn how to plan so that I could really engage in that super growth in a quick 9 to 12 months. That was absolutely vital to my growth as a young business owner and as I really started getting going. Tip number two, how to hire people. They didn't teach us that in law school or in most professional schools. That's one of those things that unfortunately way too often we engage in the hire and hope strategy. Doesn't work very well. So these days we have a whole hiring and onboarding boot camp because it's such a common issue. And don't feel bad, most schools don't teach it, but it's something that the quicker you can get good at that, the better your firm will run. Tip number three, how to build systems. As I was growing so fast in my business, I finally learned how to sit down and not just write the policies and procedures, but all the other items that went along with it to really give a new person that edge of knowing how I wanted things done, what did A+ look like, all the examples, the checklists, the diagrams, all those things that made it easy for them to get up to speed fast. So learn how to build those systems. Tip number four, get a managerial CPA. What do I mean by that? So a financial CPA looks backwards. They just take the end of the year info and just plug it in. A managerial CPA is going to actually help you plan forward. They're going to be involved and say, hey, in 6 months, when you hit this plateau, you're going to want to do X and Y. Absolutely, absolutely critical to your peace of mind and growth with a plan. Tip number five, learn how to say no to people. Such a big one. It's natural for us to want to say yes to a lot, and especially ideal clients versus non-ideal clients. Listen, early on, you're just about trying to get a sale. But understanding what is your niche, making sure you say no to people that are not your ideal client, not part of what you're trying to build. Very important to save your precious time so that you can focus on your growth and on making it better for those that are your ideal audience. Tip number six, use a block calendar. Oh, this is such an important one. You want to really put into that calendar some big blocks of time to really grow the business, build, develop. Yes, you need to have some buffers, or in my firm, we called them, fires from like 11 to 11:30 to be able to respond to questions and develop issues and talk to the staff so that we were able to stay in front of all of the fires that happen daily in our litigation firm. Not everybody has that many fires, but it's nice to have a buffer time to be able to get swamped out, to get through some of the things you need to get through. Tip number seven, how to work with vendors. That is such an important part of making sure people do what they need to do. You're paying them. So make sure you have set dates and times when they're going to give you updates. Don't waste mental energy wondering when they're going to get back to you. Tip number eight, build a real marketing plan. I didn't know what that was either. It was kind of this fragment idea until I started taking marketing classes. But what I learned is it's not that difficult. Once you understand the base and how to hit your audience in different ways with different learning styles. Tip number nine, how to lead your team, not just manage a team. We all go through different phases, and early on in my career, no judgment, I micromanaged, then learned to manage, and then started learning how to lead. The sooner you get a handle on this, the sooner you can really develop a team that will follow you anywhere and that will get things done without you needing to waste mental energy. Tip number 10, how to ask for referrals. It can feel uncomfortable in the beginning, But your raving fans are also the conduit to more raving fans. They know people that need your help. So get good at asking. Talk to them. It's a conversation.